Hey guys, this is Tom. Today I'm reacting to the video was called YTP the Grams No Blue Balls instead. What a good title. Anyways, this is gonna be a good YTP view because Thomas has my name and the name Talking Tom because I don't know what that means. I hope it's gonna be good, so let's get into it. Alright guys, I'm ready. I think you're ready. I'm ready in 3, 2, 1, boom. Alright, YouTube Poop Plus Original. Okay, that's loud.
It was a day on the island of Soros and Thomas was fucking the locals.
Whoa. Whoa.
Biggest town. The last mainline us on the island of Soros.
Whoa. Oh. Oh, that sound.
Who's this with two tooths?
My brother is from Scotland.
I'm a scat man.
Oh, that song. Dun 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 dun.
They do. It almost makes me racist.
And with any luck, Thomas, maybe you shall.
Do it, Gordon.
What? What's that even?
Flying Scotsman.
Snap Entertainment. Thomas and Friends Productions. Thomas and Friends, The Great Race. Good title.
Try another one, Cranky.
Okay. A bomb. Holy crap. Developed by David Sand. What the?
It's gonna be special.
Yes.
It's gonna be special.
Yeah.
It's gonna be special.
Two Thomas clones? Whoa. Oh, what? Ah, holy crap, that is loud.
In any case,
I do have to keep some engines on Sodor.
after all,
We still have a railway to run.
Okay. Well, what the? Stop at that.
Fucking trucks in the yard.
I do have to keep some engines on Sodor.
Blah, blah, blah.
We still have a railway to run.
Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah.
Stop it. Stop it. Shut up, Thomas. Whoa. The morning sound.
Go, Thomas. All you have to do is go, Thomas.
Okay.
What? If you just put your ears to it.
But where are you going? Holy crap. What the hell?
The next morning, Thomas woke up with a smile on his face.
If I fought the flying
Hey.
Scotsman, the Fat Controller would definitely fight me.
Whoa.
But you can't fight the flying
Hey.
Scotsman.
Oh.
All I want is the shiny.
Oh man. What a hilarious video. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my.
Wonder who was pissing on you.
Ah. Oh, it's spinning. I love it. Then.
About this one. It needs to be bigger. That one. No.
Okay.
No, not that one, Frankie. It needs to be bigger. That one.
What?
No, not that one, Frankie.
That sound. Stop with that. Shut up. Shut up. Whoa, more engines.
Where are you all going?
To the great rail.
Oh, bless me. Stop it.
Shrimp, my meaty is going
Oh, stop it. I don't like that.
Why don't you fight me?
Hey. Stop laughing. Holy crap. Oh my goodness. Oh,
The trucks were delighted. The fact that it's fallen in the water.
just like a Toy Thomas.
I'm saucy.
What? Sauce?
Name's Thomas. What's yours?
Salty.
Sauce.
What? 5 years. Oh! Holy crap.
What's so special about her anyway? She's an asshole.
Whoa! Oh. Thomas?
You are a strange little man.
You are a very
Tank engine. I'm coming too.
Okay.
I'm gonna coming. Gordon. What's that, Gordon?
That's a Gordon. Oh, that song.
Stars.
Hey,
Whoa, that is loud.
Amy's whistle.
Okay. Stop saying that, Thomas. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. What the hell?
Come on, shooting star. Fuck me.
Hey. What the? Hey, shut up. I love that song.
You might end up being big, shorty.
Whatever.
What? You look like what?
Stop it. Oh my goodness.
I came
Wow, that's great.
for you.
What? You can't swear.
few moments later.
Okay. Whoa. My goodness. Holy crap. What the? Oh no. Don't turn him. Gordon. Do something. Come on, Gordon. Faster. Uh-oh. It's not good. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh god. It's on fire. Come on, Gordon. Faster, Gordon.
Mummy! Mummy! Mama!
Shut up.
Mama!
Shut up.
Mama!
Shut up.
Hi.
Whoa. What?
Leave my friend alone, you fucking bitch!
Time we went back to Sodor. We still have a railway to run.
I'll be the best cat.
I love that song. Oh. That song. Whoa. Oh, not again. Seriously? That is awesome. Oh, man. Oh, man. Alright, then. That is the most funniest video I've ever seen. So, that is amazing. So, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Go into Nico's via TikTok, Snapchat, and Roblox. Follow him. I will see you guys next video. Right before we end the video, we're just gonna filming it outside, so let's see. 1 minute later. So yeah, guys, so everything is raining outside. Yes, you could see. See, it's raining in here. So yeah, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Go into Nico's social media, TikTok, Snapchat, and Roblox. Follow me, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, everyone.